Good day to everybody. Welcome to my next lecture. Today, we are going to talk about how to choose a topic for your master's thesis or master paper and how to form introduction part of master's thesis. And I do hope that you will get some useful information from today's lecture. So, let's begin. The first thing about choosing a topic, you should know the followings. The topic should be interesting for you. And you have to answer the following questions. Why did you choose a topic? What interests you about it? And you have to think about the results. What kind of results do you want to achieve? And you try something that you are curious about. When we speak about introduction, it is a part of the research that gives a general overview about the problem, about the topic that you are going to conduct. It provides a general idea about your paper. Introduction should consist of aim, degree of implementation, topicality of the research, tasks, aim, object and subject, theoretical and practical value of your research. Especially your paper should consist of theoretical and practical part. When we speak about topicality of the part, we should present the results why the topic should be conducted. Why is that important? Why it should be conducted? Why is it so important in the field of investigation? It should reveal, your idea should reveal the necessity of a topic. So, after necessity, I mean the part of the necessity or the degree of implementation part comes. It means in this part you have to mention about the scientists' work who have done something before you on the same topic that you are going to reveal, you are going to conduct. You have to search, you have to look at their works, what they have done, did they do before you. And you have to mention about their work. For example, if foreign researchers very busy with this kind of features of the same problem, while the Russian researchers very busy with this part of my topic. But still, then you have to mention about the local researchers' work. And then you have to show what they haven't been done, what they haven't been done by them, and you are going to conduct. And then slowly you move to the aim part. What is the aim of your research? What do you want to do? What do you want to conduct? What is your aim? Your aim is to conduct some kind of problem and to find their solution for this, yes? And we don't know what kind of topic you are going to choose. If you are going to choose some kind of problem, you have to find a solution for this problem, linguistic problem it can be. Then you will move to the tasks. What kind of tasks you have to implement during your research, especially it is relevant to the content of your paper. What do you want to do during research? The first one, I am going to do this one, and then secondly, I am going to do this one, and the third one, I am going to just to show the result, and the last one, I am going to conclude. So you have got like a plan. You have to show the tasks. What are your tasks while revealing the topic? And then you have to move to object and subject part. It is very problematic part of investigation because a lot of students cannot write what is object and what is subject of the research. It's difficult to identify. On the screen, you can see the Russian version of the differentiating part of object and subject in Russian language for Russian-speaking students. Объект всегда шире, чем предмет. Don't forget about this. What do you want to make research? What do you want to conduct? If phraseological units, that will be subject of your research paper. And if you want to identify some kind of features of these phraseological units, it's going to be object of your research. The research object means that about anything that contains a problem can become a research object. Subject is much more specific and concrete than the research object, and it especially speaks about the quality of the object. When we speak about research methods, there are a lot of them. For example, the scientific methods cannot be just drawing conclusion, asking a question, form of hypothesis, collecting a data, analyze the results, and so on. All of them are called scientific methods. Research methods are the tools which help to reach the objectives. They can be of various types depending on the task of contents. Types of research methodologies can be just action, a survey, or correlation, single subject, experimental. It can be content analysis, record keeping, process of just observation, case study research, focus groups, and so on. On the screen, you can see the other social survey, focus on skills, ethical issues, and you can see observations, and so on. Now, let's move to the novelty. Something new that you have conducted is called a novelty. What did you achieve? What do you achieve? What have you got in your hand? What kind of novelty did you do? What did you do that others didn't? That's the novelty of your work. You have to conduct unrevealed side of the problem. The part of the research that was revealed, conducted by you, is a novelty. You should do something that others didn't do on the same problem. A lot of people can work on the same problem, but they reveal revealed features of the problem, and that is called a novelty. Now let's move to the scientific and practical value of a research paper. Now let's move to the scientific and practical value of the paper. So when we speak about scientific value of a paper, we can say who can use your research or just written work, the libraries, to make research, to use for their dissertation paper or to write a book. What can they do with your paper? And what about practical part? When can we use them in a real life? Maybe we can use the dictionary, a physiological dictionary done by you in the classrooms. Especially we have to speak about what can be done, what should the others do with our work in the classrooms in practical period. That was it for today. Thank you very much for being with me. Thank you.